Lesson 2, Editing a Worksheet. In this lesson, you'll learn how to cut, copy, paste, and move data in an Excel workbook, including using the Paste Special feature. Paste Special is so unique that it gets a topic all its own. You'll learn a bit about it in Topic 1, and then explore it in more detail in Topic 2. Topic 1, Cut, Copy, Paste, and Move Data. Why would you repeatedly add data into a worksheet that you have created before when you could simply copy and paste it or move it instead? This topic will cover the many ways in which you can use cut, copy, paste, and move data in Excel. You might already know many techniques, however, you might even be surprised how many ways there are to cut data. Select the cells to cut. Then either select Ctrl+X or right-click or access the context menu, and then select Cut. Or on the ribbon, on the Home tab, in the Clipboard group, select the Cut button. Nothing will happen, except for a dotted line rotating around the selected cell or cells. However, the cut data has been added to the clipboard. You need to paste the cut data somewhere else if you want to reuse it. To copy data, you can use one of the following two methods. Select the cells to copy, then either select Ctrl+C, or right-click the cells or access their context menu, and select Copy. Or select the cells to copy, then on the ribbon, on the Home tab, in the Clipboard group, select the Copy button. There are even more ways you can copy data. Select Ctrl+D to duplicate the cell above selected cell, for example, if cell B1 contained the text honeybees. And if you select cell B2 and then select Ctrl+D, cell B2 would then also contain the text honeybees. Select Ctrl+R to repeat the cell to the left of selected cell. For example, if cell D3 contained the number 3000, and if you select cell E3 and then select Ctrl+R, cell E3 would then also contain the number 3000. Or select cells to copy, then select Ctrl and drag. To paste your copied or cut data, select the cell where you want to paste the data. Then select Ctrl+V. Or right-click or access the context menu, then select the paste option you need. Or select the Paste button in the Clipboard group. Or select the Paste button drop-down, and select a different paste option. Or select Enter on keyboard. Or select Ctrl+Alt+V to open the Paste Special dialog box and use any of its options. If you've copied a whole row, right-click or access the context menu and select Insert Copied Cells. You use the same process for columns by selecting Insert Copied Column. To move data, select the cells you want to move, and then use one of the following two methods. Select Ctrl+X, select the cells you want to move the data to, and then use any method to paste the data. Or, move to the border of the selected cells, then select and drag it to the new position in which you want it. Don't use the bottom, right corner of the selected cells though, as this will fill the data to the new position rather than move it.